Wait. Don't skip this. I think I just found the craziest AI tool on the internet. And this thing can generate completely images and videos. And you know what's the best part? It's completely free and unlimited. I'm telling you, people are gonna go absolutely crazy when they find out about this.
Yes, you heard that right. People are going to go absolutely crazy when they find out about this tool, because this AI lets you use it completely free and unlimited.
And the best part? It's completely
Unlike most AI tools that constantly block or restrict what you try to create, this one gives you a lot more creative freedom, especially for image and video generation. And honestly, the craziest part is, most people still don't even know this tool exists. So don't skip this video. Watch till the end, because I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to use it. And in the middle of the video, I'll also show you how to use it unlimited. Okay, the tool's name is PopVid Ai, so open any browser and search for PopVid Ai. After opening the website, sign up using your Gmail or temp mail, but personally, I recommend using your Gmail first. And don't worry, I'll explain why later in the video, so don't skip any part. Alright, after logging in, you'll see this type of interface, where you can generate images and videos completely free with way more creative freedom than most AI tools. And here in the corner, you can see you get 300 free credits to start with. Now, you'll notice a few different options. First, there's the roleplay section, where you can create and chat with different AI characters. Next, there's the videos section, where you can watch creations made by other users for inspiration. But now let's move to the main part, the image and video generator. Simply click the Create option, and here you'll see both the video generator and image generator tools. So first, let's create an image. Just click the image option, and you'll see even more settings and customization options available. You can see here there are multiple options like Create Image, Edit Image, and Image Fusion. You'll also notice lots of example prompts here that you can directly use for inspiration. So let's give it a try. I'm going to use one of these image prompts. Simply click the image, and the prompt will automatically appear here. As you can see, it only costs 5 credits. Now hit generate, wait a few seconds, and your image is ready. Honestly, the quality comes out really impressive, especially for a completely free tool. And here are some example images I created using this tool. As you can see, the results look really impressive, especially for a completely free AI tool. And of course, I'm not going to generate anything in this video because of YouTube rules, but you can test that part yourself. Now let's try the Edit Image feature. Simply select any image or upload your own. For example, I'm going to use this image right here. Then type your prompt describing which part you want to edit, and boom, look at the difference between the two images. The changes are actually really impressive. Now let's test the Image Fusion feature. And trust me, this feature is really cool. I'm going to use these two images, paste my prompt here, and hit generate. After waiting a moment, look at this. Both images are now perfectly combined into a single frame. Pretty cool, right? Now, let's move on to the video generator tool. This is where things get really interesting. Unlike most AI platforms that come with heavy limitations, this tool gives you much more creative freedom to bring your ideas to life. So, to get started, simply click on the video option. You'll also find some ready-made templates here, which you can explore later on your own. Okay, now before we jump into creating a video, there's one important thing you should know. At the moment, this tool doesn't support text-to-video generation. Instead, it works with image-to-video, which means you'll need to provide an image first, and then the AI will animate it into a video. So for this demo, I'm just going to use this image. If you want, you can upload your own image instead. It works the same way. Just pick an image, upload it, and you're good to go. Once you've selected your image, just type in your prompt and hit generate. And here's the nice part. Each video only costs 10 credits, so you can make quite a few videos before you have to worry about running out of credits. And like I mentioned earlier, I'm not going to generate anything video because of YouTube's guidelines. But if you're curious, you can always test the full capabilities on your own. One quick tip though, don't make your prompts too complicated. In most cases, simple and clear prompts actually give better results and are much easier for the AI to understand. After waiting just a few moments, your video is ready. As you can see, it's around 5 seconds long, and honestly, the quality turned out really well, especially when you consider that we're generating it completely free. You can also extend your video by adding another prompt. Just click here, choose the extend option, type in your prompt, and hit generate. That's all you need to do. Alright, now let's talk about how you can get more free credits. Just head over to your main account and click on the credits option. Once you do that, you'll see a page like this, where you can check your remaining credits and find a few different ways to earn more for free. As you can see, the platform gives you 100 credits for every friend you refer. So if someone signs up using your referral link, both of you get an extra 100 credits, which is a pretty nice bonus. So just copy your Earn Free Credits referral link and share it with your friends or your community. It's an easy way to keep earning extra credits over time. And that's a quick look at PopVid Ai. Overall, I think it's a really fun tool to try, especially if you're looking for more creative freedom and surprisingly realistic results. If you want to check it out for yourself, you'll find the link down in the description. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Comment below what you think about this tutorial, and if you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.